Welcome to Chillipot Kitchen. Today is Happy Mother's Day. I'm gonna make a mud cake for my mommy. Now let's check out the ingredients. Let's take a mug. I'll put this here. Okay. I want a lot. It's just a little more. This is a lot. Now the peppers fly. Here we go. Baking powder here. Now let's put the salt. Take a fork or a spoon to mix it. Mix it, mix. Add a milk. I hope it's not spilling. Hey, that make it bigger. I made it like chocolate. I can't do this. Cool. Liquids makes it so big. Take a fork or a spoon to mix it. Mix like this. Great. Great. Here's this one. I'm choosing the big one. Okay, here you go. Little chocolate. Inside. Put this in the microwave for 1 minute. Let's put the chocolate pieces, chocolate chip. Let's add the syrup and top. Chocolate, my cake is ready. Go give it to mommy. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you, Ada, for the mug cake. Let's dig in.
No, you can take.
Oh, wow. That's so beautiful.